In this video, we are going to go over some settings that make GoldenEar work properly for you. Under the View menu item, the first choice is Set Mic On. What this does is it allows us to make a setting that we want to use in conjunction with our Dragon bar in order to have the Dragon microphone turn on automatically whenever we are recording a session. So in this case, I can hit my Alt key and hit my F12, and I see that Alt F12 is set for that setting. Then I go over to my Dragon bar to Tools Options, Hotkey, and I look at my Press to Talk option, which is also set to Alt F12. Let me make a note here that the Press to Talk does not automatically by default have a value. You must set your value in Dragon to match your value in GoldenEar in order to use the automatic Dragon microphone on function. Also, in order to have that, the Dragon support status must be set and you can see that it's set at the bottom of your screen. To toggle this on or off, you hit the Alt D, which toggles it off and then back on. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to hit Record All. Then you see that the microphone turns on at this point in time. Then, when I stop the recording, the microphone turns back off. Now the next setting is the audio settings. The audio settings is very important because it is what tells GoldenEar the source for your recording of your mask audio, or the voice writer's audio is going to be coming through this setting, and the courtroom audio recording, so your microphones to record your judge, your witnesses, and your lawyers is going to come through this setting. And your playback, if you want to hear your own voice or preview the courtroom voice, it's going to come through this setting right here, the mask audio playback. And the courtroom playback, if you want to play back for the judge a lawyer's question or a witness's answer, it will be using this setting right here. And what these do is they set the volume levels so that you can hear the audio in the desired location. The next setting is the toolbars. If you notice here, we have a maximized area for text in our application. But if we want to use our Word toolbar, we can open that up and use any of the functionality that normally occurs in Microsoft Word. Also, we can set on the menu. So those two settings, the menu and the toolbar, are there especially for after court session final touch-ups. Then we have our offsets functionality here, and what this does is it allows you to offset what GoldenEar is going to assign the courtroom audio in conjunction with your text. As we all know, we cannot speak immediately upon hearing a lawyer ask a question. There's going to be some amount of delay, maybe 1 second, maybe 5 seconds, between the time that the lawyer begins asking his question and when we repeat that question into our voice masks. This offset allows you to set a general session time for your offset so that when you press playback later, GoldenEar will automatically adjust the settings 3 seconds later in order to get the right audio for the courtroom matched up with your text in your document. The last setting is the mask setting. And what the mask setting is, it allows you to, again, when you're making your final transcript, you might want to hear what you said, because sometimes Dragon will make a mistake in interpreting what you said. But if you want to go back and hear what you said, you can use the play mask audio and hear in your own headset what was said so that you can make sure that it is exactly right in your final document. And those are the settings to use HTH GoldenEar.